everyone, at Sungo welcomes you to Dumaguete Sitbulan Airport in Dumaguete. Time check for your convenience is now 44 minutes past the hour of 6, and we're pleased to announce that we have just landed ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and wait for the seatbelt signs to be switched off.
Papokya kong captain guys. Sunod pa siya. Bitaw! Di man pwede mag-video na. Bawal na siya. So, bye, Captain. Captain, ikuyog-kuyog na lang ko, be. Masaro na lang ko nimo. Bye na! Where am I? Madare, guys. Dalagit. Dalagit. Dalagit eh.
Wala mo typol.